Hey there, welcome to Mantra Chakra. Please hit that like button and subscribe. Today we are going to talk about Lapis Lazuli. Lapis Lazuli is a beautiful and celestial stone that has a rich and deep blue color. With golden flecks running throughout its structure, it has been used for thousands of years in cosmetics and as a pigment for paintings. It is believed to have a soothing and calming energy that helps to open the mind and calm the senses. Lapis lazuli is a metamorphic rock that contains lazurite, which gives it its distinctive blue color. It may also contain calcite, pyrite, and other minerals. It is semi-translucent to opaque and has a high luster when polished. It is a relatively soft stone, with a hardness of 5 to 5.5 on the Mohs scale. It is commonly used in jewelry, such as necklaces and chokers, as well as in carvings and inlays. Lapis lazuli has a long and illustrious history, with many famous figures throughout history being associated with the gemstone. One of the most well-known is Cleopatra, the last pharaoh of ancient Egypt. Cleopatra was known for her beauty, intelligence, and political savvy, and was renowned for her use of cosmetics and jewelry. Lapis lazuli was a popular ingredient in cosmetics during Cleopatra's time, and it is believed that she used it to create a range of beauty products, including eyeshadow, lipstick, and nail polish. It is also thought that Cleopatra wore lapis lazuli jewelry, including rings, earrings, and necklaces, to enhance her beauty and status. In addition to its use in cosmetics and jewelry, lapis lazuli was also highly prized for its spiritual and healing properties. It was believed to have powerful protective energies and to be able to recognize and negate negative or harmful energies. It was also thought to promote self-awareness, honesty, compassion, and integrity, and was often used for emotional healing to address negative thoughts and behaviors, and to promote self-care and body positivity. Lapis lazuli played a significant role in Cleopatra's beauty regimen and was likely a key element in her iconic and alluring appearance. It is likely that she was drawn to the gemstone not only for its beauty, but also for its spiritual and healing properties. Lapis lazuli is a powerful stone of protection. It can help to recognize and negate the effects of negative or harmful energies, and is also known for its calming and peaceful energy. It promotes self-awareness and helps the wearer to take charge of their own life, while also encouraging honesty, compassion, and integrity. Lapis lazuli is often used for emotional healing, as its frequencies are loving and serene. It helps to address negative thoughts or behavior and promotes self-care and body positivity. It can also strengthen friendships and relationships and encourage productive and organized thinking. In addition to its emotional benefits, lapis lazuli is also said to have physical healing properties. It is believed to support the immune system, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation. It is also thought to have a positive effect on the throat and thyroid gland. Overall, lapis lazuli is a versatile and powerful gemstone that is highly prized for its beauty and healing properties. It is an excellent choice for those seeking protection, emotional balance, and clarity of thought, and can be used in a variety of ways, including in jewelry and decorative items. If you are looking for beautiful lapis lazuli jewelry, please click on the links below to visit our website and see the beautiful Mantra Chakra bracelets, necklaces, Apple Watch straps, and more. We hope you found this to be educational and would recommend watching our other videos to learn more, get inspired, and unblock your chakras. Have a wonderful day.